friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Now we are going to see chapter number 8, Agricultural Waste and Byproducts Utilization. In that case, the most important point is which one? Yes. So fuels and plant nutrients. Then what are building materials? So the feed, in case of feed, the feed cost is usually 60 to 70% of the total livestock production cost, and since animal waste are cheap, they lead to a significant reduction in the cost of meat, milk and other animal products. Now in case of biogas production, common factors affecting biogas production are type of basic organic material, temperature, pH of media, solid concentration and agitation. The materials having high lignin content are difficult to decompose and therefore are not preferred for biogasification. However, materials having a non-lignin C/N 20 to 25:1 are good for biogasification. C/N ratio should be in between 20 to 25:1. Therefore, with CN ratio of 20:1, animal dung is considered to be suitable material for biogas production. Then the biogas production with naturally occurring microbes takes place within the temperature range of 10 to 40 degrees Celsius. However, at temperature of 33 to 35 degrees Celsius, maximum amount of biogas can be produced per unit weight of dry organic material under atmospheric condition. Now in case of pH, the pH ranges of 5.5 to 7.5, whereas the methane generating microbes function well within the pH ranges of 6.5 to 8.5. Therefore, the pH range of 6.5 to 7.5 is optimum. And the water is to dung ratio should be 1:1. And the optimum solid content for biogas production is 8 to 12%. Now fiber is not that much important. Now another topic is rice by products utilization. So you should know what are the how much percent rice husk, rice bran and rice germ is there in rice. So without spending too much time on this, we will go for rice bran oil. So the bran received from whitener is cleaned to separate broken rice germ. This is usually done by screening. The next unit operation is thermal treatment. Rice bran contains an enzyme which is called lipase. Remember this, rice bran contains enzyme which is called lipase. Due to presence of this enzyme, the rice bran oil quality deteriorates after its separation from the brown rice. Lipase acts on the oil and hydrolyzes it. As a result, after passage of time, free fatty acid increases. So increase in free fatty acid makes the rice bran oil inedible, and therefore the oil is used for industrial use like soap making. So the process refining of bran oil for edible purpose is generally carried by the following process: dewaxing process to remove mainly wax, organic impurities and moisture; degumming process to remove mainly gums and mucilages. Then third one is neutralization process to remove mainly free fatty acid. Then decolorization process to remove mainly coloring matter, metallic ingredients. Deodorization process to remove odorous matters. And then winterization process to remove mainly saturated glycerides. So this sequence you should know: dewaxing, degumming, neutralization, decolorization, deodorization and winterization. From exam point of view, they can give these 6 options and they will ask you to arrange in the proper order. So this is important topic from exam point of view. Thank you for watching our video, and in upcoming lectures we will try to focus on another subject. So until now, you can go into our playlist named Agricultural Engineering Crash Course. There you will find some of the important topics and frequently asked questions from exam point of view. Thank you.